Forward Dispatch. 1300-meter race is on the way. We have Strategic Manila throws for your lead, running on the outside. 9 Dragon next in line is entry number 8, and that's Salinas as they race towards the half mile. Is Strategic Manila. 9 Dragon is in second. Salinas racing in third, followed by Mayumi running on the outside. Boardwalk, Amsterdam pass forward. Pag-asa comes next, followed by Dr. Jaden Mayermes, and trailing the group is Heroes Honor as they race at a 600. 2 runners na parirap to the lead is Strategic Manila. 9 Dragon moving up on the outside to grab the lead. Boardwalk arriving at the race too, then followed on the outside by Mayumi as they race for home. 9 Dragon leading the field, running in second is Strategic Manila. Boardwalk down on the inside, Amsterdam, then moving up is Pag-asa, but it's 9 Dragon who starts to draw away, this time by about 6 lengths, and finally 9 Dragon, then comes Boardwalk, Amsterdam, Mayumi pass forward, Pag-asa, then comes Strategic Manila, number 4 Mayermes, 5 Dr. Jaden